Concealer is primarily used to minimise the appearance of dark circles under the eyes. The concealer needs to be smooth and creamy and not dry, otherwise it will just go into the creases and cake up. Define the shape of the brows by visualising an invisible line or by holding a makeup pencil up to the eye from the inside of the nose. Apply red lipstick using a lip brush, starting from the corner of the lips inwards to the centre.